In the world of DJing, a top-quality DJ mixer can make all the difference. It's the heart of your setup, allowing you to seamlessly blend tracks, create mind-blowing transitions, and craft your unique sonic experience. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best DJ mixers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Pioneer DJM V10, a masterpiece of musical engineering, has secured its place as the number 5 best DJ mixer, and for a good reason. This 6-channel digital mixer is more than just a piece of equipment, it's a gateway to a world of musical possibilities. For DJs seeking to elevate their artistry to the next level, the Pioneer DJM V10 is a lifeline. It caters to those with intricate mixing, routing, and performance requirements, setting it apart from average mixers. DJs who arrive at their booths armed with a treasure trove of FX pedals and outboard gear find this mixer to be a godsend. It's a savior for DJ producers who craft hybrid sets, enabling them to seamlessly produce their unique sound live. The DJM V10 boasts unparalleled flexibility in routing, a potent onboard sound card, and an abundance of channels to accommodate all your gear or sources. Its LF variant, designed with longer line faders, adds even more customization to your setup. While the mixer is a treasure trove of features, it does have its limitations like limited filters and a petite control screen. But for those who crave innovation and aren't afraid to push the boundaries of their art, the Pioneer DJM V10 is worth every penny of its $3,899 price tag. It's not just a mixer, it's a creative companion for those who dare to explore the uncharted realms of music. Step into the world of DJing with the Pioneer DJM 900 NXS2, ranked as the number 4 best DJ mixer. This mixer is a masterpiece with its sleek design and a plethora of features. It offers 4 main channels along with a dedicated send-return channel, making it perfect for those who want to create intricate mixes. With a robust selection of inputs and outputs, including line-ins, phono-ins, mic-ins, and more, this mixer is a versatile hub for your audio sources. It even boasts 3 USB ports and is rekordbox DVS ready, ensuring you stay at the cutting edge of digital jing. What truly sets the DJM 900 NXS2 apart is its arsenal of effects. It boasts 6 sound color FX and a staggering 14-beat FX with frequency selectors, along with EQs and filters. Whether you're a fan of reverbs, flangers, or unique build-up sounds, this mixer has you covered. Pioneer's legacy in the DJ gear industry shines through in the DJM 900 NXS2. It's the go-to choice for countless DJs worldwide, thanks to its exceptional build quality and performance. With a price tag of $2,699, it's a worthy investment for any aspiring DJ or seasoned professional looking for a reliable and feature-rich mixer. The Playdifferently Model 1.4, ranked as the number 3 best DJ mixer, is a testament to innovation and creativity in the world of music technology. Richie Houghton, a pioneer in electronic music, brought his expertise to this masterpiece. In 2014, he co-founded the Playdifferently DJ brand, setting out to push the boundaries of DJ equipment. The Model 1.4 is a 4-channel marvel with 2 additional send/return channels, offering a compact and more affordable alternative to its predecessor. It maintains the high-quality design, precision EQs, contour filters, and multiple send-return channels from the flagship Model 1. However, it lacks a crossfader, making it less suitable for traditional track switching, but ideal for loop blending and hybrid live DJ setups. Unconventional yet appealing, the Model 1.4 is not for every DJ. It's best suited for genres like deep house, minimal, or left-field techno. The absence of microphone connectivity and the unique per-channel EQ system set it apart from the norm, catering to a niche audience seeking innovation. The price is $1,799. Say hello to the Allen and Heath Xone 96, ranking as the second best DJ mixer, and embodies a timeless legacy cherished by professional house and techno DJs. Its predecessor, the Xone 92, has long held a special place in the hearts of artists. In 2018, the company introduced the Xone 96, an evolution rather than a revolution. Much like its forebear, the Xone 96 is a formidable and enduring piece of equipment built with the sturdiness of a tank. It retains the exceptional EQs and filters that DJs have grown to love. However, where it distinguishes itself is with the incorporation of an onboard audio interface, an expanded send-return system, and enhanced control over the booth output. This mixer may not come with a modest price tag, but it stands as a top-tier DJ mixer, resilient enough to withstand the test of time and countless performances. Its ability to channel the spirit of classic DJ setups into the modern era makes it a true gem for DJs seeking to elevate their craft. With the Allen and Heath Xone 96 priced at $2,299, it's an investment in the art of mixing that is sure to reward passionate DJs for years to come. Introducing the Pioneer DJN A9, a mixer that reigns as the new #1 in the world of DJ mixers. This powerhouse takes the torch from its renowned predecessor, the DJN 900 NXS2, and wisely follows its successful legacy while introducing some meaningful enhancements. One standout improvement is the remarkable boost in sound quality, thanks to the inclusion of ESS Technology's 32-bit high-quality converters. The DJM A9 also flaunts a sleeker FX screen, additional effects, Bluetooth input for versatility, phantom mic power for added convenience, dual USB inputs for seamless connectivity, and dual headphone sockets for collaborative performances. A noteworthy addition is the Sound Color FX Center Lock, an engineering marvel that has captured the hearts of DJs worldwide. While the absence of an Ethernet hub might disappoint some, it's clear that the DJM A9 is tailored for professional DJs and venues, hence the price tag. In summary, the Pioneer DJM A9 is an evolutionary masterpiece, addressing the shortcomings of its predecessor and setting new standards for sound quality. It's not a revolution, but a refined tool crafted for a specific purpose. With a price of $2,699, it's a testament to Pioneer's commitment to delivering the best for the world's top DJs. Thank you for tuning in to today's Techtastic Journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. In the fast-evolving world of technology, staying up to date is essential, and we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just getting started, our channel is your go-to source for the latest reviews, tutorials, and insightful insights. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our tech-savvy community.